Amazon affiliate program is one of the best and most popular affiliate programs on the internet. Thousands of people make little to huge money from its affiliate program. There are reasons why Amazon affiliate program is the best affiliate program on the internet. First is Amazon has more than 10 million products, so you can promote almost anything from your website. Second is Amazon is very popular brand, so conversion is the highest. And third, you can promote Amazon affiliate program in 13 countries from the same website. Fourth, you get commission for all products a customer buys and not just the product you promote. So if you have interest in affiliate marketing or want to make money online, then Amazon affiliate program must be your first choice. But how to make money with an Amazon affiliate program? Hi, I'm Preetham Nagrale, founder of Dematic Digital. You are welcome to my channel Dematic Digital, where you'll find useful stuff on digital marketing. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe to it now, because free content of my channel is better than premium content of other channels. I've been making money online with affiliate marketing since 2004, and I have worked with various affiliate programs including Amazon Associate Program. I have earned my fortune from the internet, and from this 16 years of experience, I'll show you everything about affiliate marketing on my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make money with Amazon affiliate program. I'll explain 10 powerful ways to promote Amazon affiliate. You can make good money even if you use a single method. Let's learn one by one. 10th, paid marketing. If you want to make huge money with affiliate marketing, then you need huge traffic. Most of the super affiliates in this world who make $20,000 to $50,000 a month use paid marketing for promoting their affiliate products. When I started affiliate marketing in 2004, I used to promote my affiliate companies through paid marketing. I had no knowledge about SEO during that period, so I used to promote through Google AdWords. In 2004, you could directly add affiliate links in the 4-line Google ads, but today you need a landing page. Your visitors first visit your landing page from Google ads, and then from your landing page to the merchant website. Organic marketing is one of the best methods, but it's a bit difficult. It takes time, and most of the time reach is not huge for many of the products with low search volumes. For example, if you want to promote this probiotic from your website, so you'll get the traffic as per the search volume of all the keywords that you can target for this probiotic. Maybe you receive some traffic from your direct visitors and some through social platforms and some referral traffic from other websites. But if you think this product has high conversion and you can make good profits if more people visit your website and learn about its benefit, then paid marketing is one of the best options. You can reach those people who do not have any idea about probiotics, but they may purchase this product after knowing the health benefits of probiotics. Paid marketing is one of the best ways to promote affiliate products and make huge money, but it's not recommended if you are a beginner. First, you need to learn it properly, and when you are confident, then you can use paid campaigns for promoting your affiliate products. But the most important point, paid marketing is not recommended for Amazon affiliate program, and that is the reason I have mentioned this method on 10th position. Commission structure for Amazon products is low, and there is no logic for promoting Amazon products using paid marketing. But if you find some high value products with good commission and conversion, then you may try paid marketing for Amazon products. If you want, I can make a separate video where I'll show you which type of affiliate programs you can target with paid marketing. Second, how to do paid marketing effectively and which are the best platforms for paid marketing. Ninth is mobile apps. Mobile apps are a good way to promote Amazon affiliate program. You need to develop an Android app or an iOS app to make money using this method. If you don't know how to develop an app, then you can get it done from a freelance website. There are various platforms like Fiverr or Upwork where you can find app developers and you can ask them to create an app for you. You'll find the link in the description. Once your app is developed, you can submit this for approval in Google Play Store or App Store. It's easier to get approval in Google Play Store as compared to App Store, because Apple's criteria is very strict for approval. You need to generate the traffic on your app once your app is available in the App Store. And the best way to receive the traffic is ASO, that is App Store Optimization. There are thousands of apps in Google Play Store and iOS App Store. More than 60% apps are discovered through searches, and ASO is an excellent way to bring your app on the top of the result. Eighth is event blogs. You must have heard about event blogging. In event blogging, you need to create a micro niche website on some events like festivals, special days, sports, and award ceremonies. There are 10 to 15 pages in an event blog. You need to target keywords related to that event in that blog. You need to do some basic SEO so that your blog will start ranking with the targeted keywords and you can receive the traffic. If your content are properly optimized, then you can receive huge traffic during that event. There are many events when people purchase lots of things from the internet. For example, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Thanksgiving Day, Diwali, Christmas, and various other days. You need to target Amazon products from your event website. You can target India, US, or any other country. If you buy a WordPress hosting with unlimited websites, then you can create dozens of event blogs on different events. One of the best web hosting companies is Hostinger, where you can get WordPress hosting for unlimited websites at a very cheap price. I have provided my affiliate link in the description. You can use my coupon code Pritam Nagrale at the time of checkout for more discount. Seventh is Amazon store. This is also an excellent way to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. You need to create an e-commerce store in order to make money with this method. But all the products that you add on this store will be redirected to Amazon through your affiliate link. That means if your site visitors click on any product from your store, they will be redirected to Amazon, and when they buy anything from Amazon, you receive affiliate commission. You can add hot selling products or discounted products in your store. There are various WordPress plugins like WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Shopify that can help you to create your Amazon store. You can add a sign up page or subscription option in your blog so that you can promote your Amazon products through email marketing. Or if you want, you can sell your own products from your store as well as through email marketing. Six is comparison websites. Most of the people who want to purchase some products, they usually research various similar products, and then they reach a stage where they are confused with 2 or 3 similar products with similar feature. This one or this one. Sometimes you must have experienced the same thing. You can create a comparison website where you compare different products. You need to clear the confusion of the people through your comparison. Comparison is the final stage of buying. They already know some basic features of these products. They just need a final convincing about the selection of that product. This is best for you. There are many plugins that can help you to build your comparison website. As I told you, comparison is the final stage of a buying process. Then conversion is the highest in this stage. You can use keyword research tools like SEMrush that can help you to find thousands of keywords based on comparison. Fifth, coupon websites. Another excellent way. If you start a coupon website, not only can you promote Amazon affiliate, but various other affiliate companies that provide discount and deals. Amazon provides lots of discounts and offers. You can go to your dashboard and find lots of promo codes from the promotion tab. You can add these coupons on your websites. You can find various themes and plugins for making your own coupon websites. There are thousands of companies who sell physical products, training or courses, software and tools. Almost 90% of companies provide different coupons and deals. You can list discounts and offers of all these companies on your website. You can make a huge income if your coupon website gets good organic traffic. Fourth is regular blogs. Regular blogs like my blogs, MoneyConnexion.com and SureJob.in. The main objective of this type of blog is not Amazon affiliate, but you can target Amazon affiliate products whenever you get a chance in your post. For example, my blog SureJob.in, I cover topics on career and education on this blog. Whenever I write about various books based on career and education, I link books from Amazon through my affiliate link. For example, this post here, I have added my affiliate links for Amazon books. You can see another example from my another blog, MoneyConnexion.com. You can see this post, Valentine's Day gift ideas. Here I am talking about various gift ideas for Valentine's Day and added my Amazon affiliate link for all these gifts. If you are running this kind of niche blog, then you need to research various topics where you can add products from Amazon. Third is micro niche websites. There are various Amazon affiliates who make good money through micro niche websites. Here in micro niche websites, you need to create a website on a micro niche category, or you can even create a website on a single product. Micro niche websites rank fast in Google if set up and optimized properly. Keyword research is a very crucial step in creating a micro niche website. SEMrush is one of the best tools for finding great keywords as well as a niche for your micro niche website. If you use an EMD, that is an exact match domain for your micro niche website, then it can rank much faster in Google. Few years back, there was an algorithmic update from Google for EMD websites where Google penalized low quality EMD sites. Many SEO experts think that EMD sites do not rank anymore in Google, but it's not true. I have done lots of research on EMD, and from this research and my own experience, I can say Google still prefers EMD domain provided you write quality content on your website. In my next video, I'll show you how to start a micro niche website and make some cool. Second is social platforms. Social platforms are becoming one of the most popular ways for making money with affiliate marketing. Though there are various social platforms for promoting affiliate products like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, Twitter, and others, the most effective platform for affiliate marketing is YouTube. If you want to make money promoting affiliate products on social platforms, you must have a huge following. You should publish engaging posts regularly in order to influence your followers for buying your recommended product. Your followers or subscribers will be loyal to you only if you create high quality and useful content for them. I've seen hundreds of YouTube channels and social accounts with 100,000 or million followers, but still very low engagement. Its reason is just one of the videos of these creators got viral and they got a huge following because of that video, but after that no one is interested to watch their low quality content. Don't make such mistake. Keep only one objective: help your subscribers with a good heart. I can guarantee you that you will get benefits in the long run. And first is review websites. If you want to make thousands of dollars every month from Amazon affiliate marketing, then creating a review website is one of the best way. Here you choose a niche for your website and then post review of different Amazon products. For example, if you are interested in music, you can choose some niche related to music. You can choose a niche in fashion, kitchen, health supplements, fitness equipment, gaming, mobiles, Apple products, or anything that you like. There are more than 12 million products available on Amazon, and you can find thousands of broad niche and micro niche on Amazon. You need to choose a niche that is profitable, but at the same time you should enjoy working on your niche. In my next video, I'll show you how to make $1,000 to $5,000 with the review websites. There are factors like what is your niche, how do you research your niche, how do you set up your website, how do you write your content, how is your SEO strategy, how is your landing page. These can impact your earnings. You should work hard to make it perfect. Which method do you think is the best for affiliate marketing? Which method do you want me to create my next video on? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video if you think this video deserves your sharing. And yes, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, do it now and press the bell icon.